In this video, I'll show you guys how to download R and RStudio in any Windows. First of all, open up the link given in the description and it will take you to this page. Now click this option and it will start downloading the R. Now the setup is downloaded. Now open the setup. Select yes. Click next. Here you can select the folder where you want to install it. I will keep the same options. Click next. Check all these options and click next. Now here it's better to keep the default settings. Select no and click next. Now if you want a desktop icon, you can check this box and click next. Now it will start installing the R. The installation of R is completed. Click finish. Now open up the link for RStudio and click this download button. If you have a different operating system, you can go down and select a different setup. Now the setup is downloaded. Click open. Select yes and keep going next. Click install and setup will start installing. Now click finish. Here I didn't create a desktop icon for this, so I will just search RStudio in my computer. Open file location, right click and create a shortcut. Select yes and it will create a shortcut on desktop. Now you can see that the RStudio is successfully installed. So that's it for today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Goodbye.